Hey folks, Jim here from Jim's Random. Today I'm going to show you how to install a new Firebox on a Kamado Joe classic grill. As the name says, it's Jim's Random, so there's going to be a little bit of everything. That's kind of my intentions for this. So without any further ado, let me get started on this and we'll go from there. Alright, so these are the pieces of the new Firebox setup. I've already took out the old Firebox, cleaned everything out of there just for the simplicity of it all. Like I said, there's no sense in showing you that. Basically all you have to do is pull out all the old stuff, give the inside a good cleaning, and then just install these pieces. I'm going to get these pieces set up. First thing you want to do, you want to get this set up in here. This is what originally came with your Kamado Joe too, so you just kind of set that in there, make sure that tray slides out all right, and door closes, so we're good there. Grab this piece, and you want to set it right there. You might have to wiggle it around a little bit just to make sure everything fits in there. Then you just start putting these pieces in. They all kind of click into place. Kind of like that. Put this one in here. I said the other Firebox was so tore up, it was cracked, and when I took it out, it pretty much disintegrated, so it was definitely time for the replacement. Kamado Joe is really good with their replacements too, with their warranty and everything too. So I've actually had this for a while, just haven't got around to doing it. So you get your pieces in there, you've got your ring here, kind of set it on top of there, and then you just gotta start messing around with these pieces a little bit. And popping them into place. It might take a couple tries just till you get it fully seated in there, but it's nothing too awful horrible. Look at that, that's it. A lot of people stress out about these gaps, but these gaps are actually, as you can see, there's like little tabs that go over there too, so it's good to go on that aspect of it. And then I've already replaced my felt gasket today. I didn't think about taping that. I probably should have done that, but what can you do? So this all sits in there nice. I've already got a kick-ass basket. It just kind of pops in there. And then get these pieces. So, see how nice they set in there. Pop your grate on. And that's it, folks. So it's pretty user friendly. Again, Kamado Joe, they have a really good warranty department. So when that old Firebox, when that started cracking and finally let loose, you have to send them a picture. Biggest hassle about that is actually shrinking down the picture to 1 megabyte. That's about the only problem I have with their customer service. But that's it. I'm just gonna get a fire going on it, and I hope this helps you out. Thanks for watching.